to Pleasant Hills. Never been here before, so we gotta find out where we are going. Well, here we are. There's the museum over there. You can't really see it, but Nick is here already. He's starting to set up. So this must be our spot. It is a very tiny spot. I'm very excited. Ah, there's the museum.
Jesse, you park behind Nick, I'll park in front of it.
Okay. Wow, I was expecting something a little more grand. She said museum. I'm thinking a big museum. But, well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're in. Time to get to work. I've come to the conclusion I am always wearing black when I'm setting up. Yeah. It's like, I either have on black shirt and pants, or I have on black skirt. What were you wearing last week? Black t-shirt. Okay. I have 2 black t-shirts, and the last 2 times we've set up, I've been wearing black both times. I have colored shirts, but I always seem to be wearing black when we set up. Nick says that's why he's sleeping in his trailer. Because you wear black? No, because that spooky video. Oh. He says that's part. He says that's why I'm sleeping in my trailer, because I'm scary. Yeah, he doesn't want to have to stay out here in the dark with the creepy person. What are you whining about? What are you whining about? What is it? What do you want? You want some water? Are you thirsty? Yeah. You thirsty? I'll get some water. I'm using a smaller tent this week for the pub. It's a, what is it, an 18 by 14 or something like that? Yeah, something like that, 18 by 14. My usual tent is a 18 by 24. So everything's it's gonna be a little bit smaller. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna put it together yet. We'll see. Alright, got the shelves up. Got the table up. It's a little bit different. I'm gonna have more of a door over there. But I think it looks okay so far. Not too bad. If I don't say so myself. Oh my gosh. You will not believe this. There is pink porta potties and purple. Wow. So are we saying that those are the girls' room? Or, oh, I know, those are the new transgender bathrooms. We got pink and purple. Awesomeness. I simply cannot believe this. Justin, your thoughts on the pink and purple bathroom?
Seriously? Where's the guy to go?
I know, right? Got it all done. It all fits quite nicely. So, it's not too bad having this a little bit smaller tent. I like the big tent better, but the small tent's okay too. And I got a bunch of new candy. I've got blackjack taffy, and I got some more lemon sour, and some jumbo jellies. Those down there, yum. And what else did I get? Nothing over here. What did I get? I got because I got these little caramel pop thingies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got some old-fashioned whorehound candy, and some gummy bells, and some pea dreams. That's the new candy that I got. But here's some old candy. Honey sticks and candy sticks. Yummy. Oh yes, and of course, they are absolutely delicious. Peach preserves, apple butter, jalapeno jelly, mango preserves. Anybody ever had mango preserves? It's delicious. And we got, what do we got? We got Raw Butts Arkansas hot sauce. It is hot. Dad made that. Dad made that. Dad made the salsa. Us girls made everything else. Made the peach preserves, and we tried the mango preserves, which is new. It's yummy. People are getting all set up down that way. This will be like 90 modern vendors. They're setting up everywhere. And this is our little rendezvous camp. It's so cute. It's not very big, but it's cute. Our little patch of ground. Newtown Bike Shop. Bicycle and coffee shop. Look at all those bicycles.
Okay, I'll be back.
Find a good bicycle?
Yeah, for Justin.
Are you getting a bike?
Not me.
Not you?
No, I'm looking at these old bicycles.
You looking at what?
It's an old bicycle.
Wow. Cool. Coffee. You can sleep when you're dead. Oh, one of those little kitty things. Oral pentacrysol. Liquid hexalogen. 1 gallon alkaline aromatic solution. Ride it, Daddy! Ride the bicycle! You can do it!
There you go.
There you go. It's like riding a bike. You never forget. There he goes! Where'd he go? There he is. He ran away with the bike. Where is he going? Come back. Here he goes. He looks funny on a bike. Big guy with a beard riding a bicycle. Pedal faster!
Wrong
The Pacific Stratus. Does the brakes work? Cool. Well, get on that bike trail and go. Let us know how far to Katy Trail.
Raise it up on handlebars. Too small, he can
raise the seat.
Yeah, he can raise the seat up.
Here, go give this to CJ.
Is it done?
Yeah. I had to erase some letters.
Oh, okay. Anyway, she's in 5th gear, so.
5th gear.
Whatever that means. My bike has 1 gear.
Okay. Yeah, let's see.
However fast you pedal. Here, Mom.
If it don't work for you, you get one girl, you have the black one, sounds better. That's what I do, like this one. Yeah. Especially going on those trails.
Oh, really, yeah.
I know it might be difficult for you because it has 2 wheels. You just don't know what to do with 2 wheels. What are you doing? Tightening it down?
Raising it up.
Oh, raising up the seat. Aha.
Metric.
Volumetric. It's like 1/2 inch.
Oh.
Maiden voyage on the bicycle. Go on the bike trail. Wow, that is a big piece of jerky. Super big.
Hi. You might have heard.
Pleasant Hill train station. Fire away, Dad.
What?
Those are cute. Little hands and feet. Oh, that's such a cool idea. I like it.
How are y'all doing?
Great.
Good.
Really
It's a bathroom.
It's a bath.
Would you look at that? Nifty. Alright, you can tell that we are hillbillies from Arkansas. This is how you can tell. Because we find these very interesting. And maybe there are more than just out there that has never seen these. But these are car chargers. Wave of the future, man. Never seen them. Freaky. There's 3 of them. Just plain weird. Pacific, or Missouri Pacific Line. Get on the train, or you're gonna miss your fare. Wait, Mom, you're supposed to hang off like, goodbye, goodbye. Nice.
Watch that step there.
You might.
It's a doozy. The step she's on is rough.
Hi, Lacey.
Okay, I don't.
You're on the Trump caboose.
The Trump.
Stuff I take from my knees. And
Inside the caboose. Inside the caboose, there's a little wood stove.
Oh, cool.
There's the cot. There's the wash basin, table and chair.
like the observation chairs there.
Yeah, I like those. Go and get up there.
I don't care.
Okay.
I was hoping to maybe to get in here and clean it up. We just got the nobody could find
Observation chairs.
Nobody could find the keys, so we cut the locks yesterday.
Oh, that's pretty cool. In emergencies such as derailment or stove failure, drain overhead water tanks. Drain valve in toilet. Cool.
Must be the toilets. Yeah, well, these are toilets. Sure you don't want to get there? Lacey's up in the observation. You in the other one. Lacey's in the observation.
There we go. I'm observing.
She's in the observation.
I don't know what I'm observing, but I'm observing something.
The caboose observation seat. Yeah. Okay.
Caboose tours.
Go on out, Mom. Head out. Go ahead.
This is what these are for. So
Yep.
you can go.
Caboose tours.
Ah, there's the toilet.
Hey, let's look at the commode.
There you go.
This is a real live caboose commode. As they go down the railroad tracks, you know where it winds up.
That's what it looked like in 2001. It looked like 2005. And now you can see what it looks like now.
2001, 2005. Okay.
Defenders of Freedom Veterans Memorial. And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. John F. Kennedy.
We will not waver, we will not tire, we will not falter, we will not fail. Peace and freedom will prevail. George W. Bush.
That this nation under God shall have a new birth of freedom, and that government of the people, by the people, and for the people shall not perish from the earth. Abraham Lincoln.
To be prepared for war is one of the most effective means of preserving peace. George Washington. I see that the old flagpole still stands. Have your troops hoist the colors to its peak, and let no enemy ever haul them down. General Douglas MacArthur.
All right, fire! Hit your target! Going into the peddler thingy. Ooh. Cool. Oh, look at that. It's a seat.
Yeah.
Nifty. I need that bar stool.
And there's the difference.
Hi there. Well, you guys got down here fast. It's getting there. We've got guys that do this restoration and build all these things, and
Well, that's actually pretty good.
yeah.
You know.
I'm here. Hi. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. Some sort of a vase. It's neat. That is a giant phone.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going into the Valley Peddler Vintage and More. Bird feeders.
Get over to the caboose there. On the other side of the tracks, they're going to actually be mounted in frames outside. So, and then they're going to have what's called QR codes that I guess people that have smartphones can take them.
Ooh, that's pretty. It's a pretty lamp. Buy 5, get 1 free. Some sort of a grinding apparatus. The party. There you go. That's a cool seat. Oh, it really got stuck in the rocks too. Old bicycle. Something tells me they're not going to drive anymore. And this truck ran into a tree. That's the bike Justin needs. He could put Lily in the back.
Yeah.
You're like, Justin, we got you another bike. The knothole wood carving.
Get the Santa Claus.
Oh, look at the Santa Claus. Look at that. Hi, puppy.
You guys, did you guys sleep on the ground last night?
Oh, yeah.
We always do. We always do.
Oh, I don't know. I was sitting there thinking, I was in my sleep number bed last night. I thought about you guys.
We've been sleeping on the ground for
Ooh, look at that
29 years.
guy.
Oh my gosh. Well, you probably get used
I like
to
that
it.
one.
Yeah.
I'm spoiled too.
I know.
But we are too. We've learned how to pick up the rocks.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
that's a start.
You know, sometimes you have to be careful where you lay it down because you might get a knot or a tree stump or something.
We died at 12.
Well, no,
I don't
you
know.
wouldn't have because you wouldn't have known any better.
I know. Well, that's why I keep saying we wouldn't know any better about it. I don't know.
You know, and the most important thing that we have today is that all that stuff's going to come back pretty soon.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, if things keep going, we're all going to be sleeping on the ground.
exactly.
So if you can't do it, you'll learn how to.
You don't have to.
You know, we had my money on a washing machine, and that mom and the girls wash clothes by hand. They go down to the creek and get the water, and we haul our water in, and we are pretty.
Ooh, we're going into top to bottom fashion. Oh my goodness, you need those. You need those like nobody's business.
I would actually almost try those on, but they're size too small.
Oh man.
No, they did not.
I
They
think
said
I
you
need
could
that
have 2
dress.
spaces out in front of the store.
Okay.
Yes, those shoes for sure.
You think, is it me?
No, but I think it's me.
Oh, wait.
Wait, she saw something she likes. Oh, that's cute.
It's too big, but
That's
isn't that
too big.
cute?
Oh, that is cute. Ooh. That is adorable.
You should go try that on.
Dad said don't take too long.
Yeah, but come on, it would be cute.
Oh, this is cute.
That's too much like night gown.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Oh yeah.
It's so happening.
You like those?
I think I'd fall and break my neck. I can't even wear any type of heel. I'd fall off.
I got some taller than that.
Oh my god. Brush. Now I've seen it all. Draw that puppy, Cheyenne. Draw it. There you go. This is a stick-on. Nice. Nice. Oh, how cute. Look at the little tractor pulling the little buggies. So cute. Ah, the sun came out just fine. Everybody got opened up. It's turned out to be a beautiful day. And we gained a sorority nectar over in our camp. So, oh, I'm so glad the sun came out. It was looking pretty bad this morning, but now it looks good. There's Wyatt Earp and Josephine, and they're talking to Talking Bear.
What is she going to say?
Elvis has entered the building.
What's
Living History Old Time Trading Post. Jim Beckner, Saturday and Sunday at 2 p.m. Civil War Clothing, Accoutrements, and Weapons. Rye Justice and the Mountain Man Mafia, Saturday at 12 and 2:30, and Sunday at 12 and 2:30. Talking Bear, Beaver Trapping in Missouri. Fiddling Fox Forge, watch a real blacksmith. Hear that, Justin? You're a real blacksmith. World War II display, Saturday 12 to 5 in front of the museum.
New Orleans, Louisiana, and also two in France, called Lamont. The originals of these, if you want to spend $1,000, you got more money than you know what to do with.
That kind of money.
Yeah.
How you doing, bud?
Good. It's all hands on. Feel free to pick up, handle anything you want. Typical gear of a World War II infantry squad, and some engineering gear down there.
I will tell you the story about this. My granddaddy, he got back from Korea, and so he confiscated himself a case. And he gave more of those things away in Cosmoline, and I got the last one when he died. He gave that to me. And I went out and got drunk and pawned it for a six-pack. And I know. Oh, God, do I know.
U.S. Army marked ones at last fall. I was at the Tulsa Gun Show, and they were going ones that were in really good shape.
Yeah.
Something that coming out of Cosmoline, matching serial numbers, were about $3,200.
Yeah, I know.
A little more than a six-pack of beer.
Yeah, I know. But that goes to tell you what condition I was in. Yep. It's one of those times when you regret.
It's made out of a cardboard tube that's been impregnated with asphalt, so it's kind of waterproof, and it's filled with the 1970. And so what it's designed to do is it's basically used for stuff. Like if I wanted to blow up a bridge, I could tie a string to it or a rope to it and put it in with a bunch of TNT or dynamite, and then
Sweet Expressions. It's a little store, candy store. What's the name of this town, Mark? In Pleasant Hill, Missouri. She's one of the coordinators of this festival they're having. Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
This goes on a YouTube thing that my daughter's doing.
Me here.
Yeah. Oops.
That's okay.
Oh, let's get
now you need to have if you're going to be official.
She's got a model.
Here's a old bookstore with a bunch of old books.
She is a lady of many hats.
Yeah, it looks like Twister. Only without the tornado. Yeah, that's Twister without a tornado.
If you ever touch the wall, if you ever touch the wall, you look at the wall, so strong and tall, I can hear him softly curse. Nobody at all ever climbed that wall, but I wanna be the first. Yeah, I wanna be the first.
Trains, and more trains. Amusement park.
It's that time again. Time to start packing before these clouds turn into rain. Hopefully we'll get out of here before that happens. Ain't that right?
Yep.
Yes. Alright, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're getting packed up to head to Pomme de Terre. Had to get up early and start the generator because the truck, it's a diesel, it needs to be plugged in. This truck doesn't have to be plugged in because they changed the starter in this one and it doesn't have to be plugged in. But for some reason they changed the starter in that one a couple days ago and it still has to be plugged in. Do what?
I said yes, I look lovely.
Yes. So we're running the generator to get the truck started while we pack up everything else. It's awfully early. It's like a ghost town around here, man. There ain't nothing going on. Back on the road again. Headed to Pomme de Terre. It's sprinkling a little bit.
As dawn breaks with a hint of light, a rebel soldier on his old gray mare. No time to spare, no time to spare. A desperate man running to no end. Without a doubt, he'll be dead.